how to reset your OnePlus Nord device or a factory reset. Swipe down the notification panel from the top. Tap the setting gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down up to additional settings. Tap on additional settings. Again scroll down. At the end you can see backup and reset option. Tap on it. Now here you can see reset phone option. Tap on it. At the end you can see erase all data, reset to factory setting option. Tap on it. Now unlock your device. Now you can see this will clear all data when you tap on erase data. So make sure backup your important data before factory reset your OnePlus Nord series. When you tap on erase data, it will remove all your phone data including third-party apps, your OnePlus account, Google account, photos, video. So make sure backup your important data before tap on erase data. It will reset your phone to factory default settings. That's it. If you like it, share it.